There is a significant downward trend here. Today, China officially reported only one new local case of the coronavirus. This follows the report out yesterday, zero new cases of the virus, an indication that this latest outbreak in China is tapering off, again, in a country that has a zero tolerance approach to the virus. This latest outbreak first emerged in around mid-July in the eastern Chinese city of Nanjing, and it quickly spread to over half of China's 31 provinces, over 1,200 people confirmed to have been infected. And China, through its pandemic playbook at the problem, was sweeping pandemic measures, including punishing prolonged lockdowns that have been strictly enforced, as well as mass testing campaigns in which millions of people in cities across China would be tested in just a matter of days. There were also, and have been, extensive travel restrictions, quarantines. Chinese officials have been punished and held accountable for failing to rein in the virus. Now, in the last hour, I spoke with Jin Dongyan. He is a top virologist based in Hong Kong at the University of Hong Kong. He said that this outbreak is reaching an end. He said that this is a vindication of China's COVID-19 zero COVID strategy to some extent, because China has no choice due to the less than ideal effectiveness of its homegrown vaccines. Take a listen to this.
If they give up this zero tolerance policy, it might be a disaster, because it's actually very challenging for them to come to that living with the virus status. Another major concern is the efficacy or effectiveness of their vaccines.
Jin Dongyan, virologist at the University of Hong Kong, speaking to me earlier. He adds that China would need to add a third booster shot of its homegrown vaccines like Sinovac or Sinopharm, or consider administering messenger RNA vaccines like the ones made by Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna. Right now, we know that about 60% of the total population in China have been vaccinated. 1.9 billion doses have been administered so far, of course, of the homegrown Chinese vaccines, and China is set to meet that milestone of 2 billion people administered, or 2 billion doses administered by sometime this week. John.